What do you mean?
Anything new to be done here?
Just the
Injections?
nothing
No?
has been happening.
Okay.
yet.
You gotta feel better with a little bit of weight off.
Yeah, I am feeling better.
Right? How much have you lost?
About 34.
What?
Yeah.
Jeez. We're gonna just loosen all this stuff up. I bet you're gonna be easier to move.
Well, maybe. But that lower back, Monday I just was doing something I shouldn't have done.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't think it was doing anything, but after I moved the ramp on the back of a truck, you know,
Yeah.
I felt it, man. It just started.
What are you moving on the back of the truck?
I mean, I had to get a car towed.
Okay.
Right? So I was just helping out. I had to do it,
Yeah.
but I was trying to help out, and I was moving like a ramp that goes,
Mm-hmm.
and you had to put the car on the flatbed.
Yeah. Kind of felt it a little bit.
Yeah. I didn't feel it then, but I felt it that night.
Yeah.
And later on, I said, oh. So I'm losing this weight, using Melaleuca metabolism.
Working
peak
well for you?
performance pack, yeah. It's just vitamins.
Did you ever put that order in?
No,
Why not?
because there were 4 digits missing off of your card. So
How
I
many
just,
4 digits missing?
I'll show you. I put that. So I said, I'll just.
I didn't do that on purpose, man.
It's cool. No, I know, man. You're just in a rush and moving like me. I'm always going, man.
I'll give you a different number, man. Deep breath. And up. Come on up, let's sit on the edge.
You see that? That was good.
Little motion in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a little tight.
That one up top.
Better, yeah? Your neck?
Yeah.
Look up. Good. So look up. I'll do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.